Salvies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. So if you guys start this video, I guys to like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post a video. Yes, because I post 3 times a week, which is on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, 3 p.m. Yada yada yada. Yep. So as you see by the title up above, I'll be doing a reaction video to Gabriel Henriquez. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So I'm gonna do the reaction on this phone here. Yeah, I got to do another reaction on a phone. I'm trying to get this headphone sorted out. So I'm gonna do a reaction to Gabriel. I'm gonna find a video to do a reaction to and y'all, it's my first time listening to this person, so yeah. So yeah, I'll put the video up above, above right here, and yeah, video right here, and I'm gonna listen to, yeah. So let's get into this video, okay? So the video I'm gonna listen to is "Greatest Love" by Whitney Houston, but he's covering the song, so he's singing the song. So yeah, Gabriel Henrik, yes. So let's go straight into making it. So 1, 2, 3, go.
I believe that you, they are our future. Teach them well and then let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter and mindless how they used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in your shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I lead it. I believe no matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all. It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. I believe that you, they are our future. Teach them well and then let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. me. I saw you long ago, never to walk in any old shadow. If I fell, if I succeed, at least I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all, it's happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all. I need to love myself is the greatest love of all. And if by chance there's special place that you've been doing love, lead you to a lower place. Find your strength in
Wow. Wow. You see, loving yourself is the greatest love of all. Like, loving yourself is the greatest of all. Like, the greatest love of all is loving yourself. So, you gotta love yourself, is what Gabriel Henrik says. Is that Henrik? But, yeah, that was a good one. Like, do y'all like it? Like, that was a good one. Like, I ain't gonna lie. That was a good one. And I don't know. I feel like I should do more reaction video of all his videos. I should react to all of his videos because his videos are so good. But if you like this reaction video, give it a huge thumbs up. Yes. Also, comment down below what part in this video you like. This is a good one. Like, ain't gonna lie, this is a good one. I love this music so much. Greatest love of all. It's like one of my favorite songs, also by Whitney Houston. Yeah. It's like one of my favorite songs because I have all those different songs, so it's like my favorite songs of all. So I like that song. And those songs, they're hard to catch anything, but his voice are so good. It's so smooth. Like, if I walk into a karaoke bar right now and I saw him sitting on a stool singing, yeah, I'm gonna fall in love with him. Not just him alone, but with his voice. And to all my new subbies, welcome to the subbies crew. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for sharing, if you do share. And thank you so much for all your kind, positive comments. It's just so good. So, okay, y'all. So, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Or hopefully another video. I don't know. But hopefully, though, it's a reaction video. Yes. Hopefully, it is our reaction video. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys. So, bye.